always make sure that you type in a subject. So a subject is just
But the way you're saying, always make sure that you
people
type.
don't,
People don't, but there's usually a prompt when you finish and you're sending
and
an
people
email. They will tell
don't.
you there is no subject. Do you want to send? So those who don't send
It's
emails with subjects, this is just call to action to you.
exactly,
Put a
exactly.
subject there.
Do put a subject. It helps for the person to know what you are talking about, and make sure that your subject is not all caps. It means that you are shouting. It's like screaming at the person. Imagine sending your boss um, an email and the subject is all caps. It's like you are screaming at him. Or, I mean, sending your colleague. So make sure, I mean, if you want to use first sentence case, so that's first letter caps, or you just want to use the first letter caps,
Okay,
make sure not all the thing are not like,
in
don't put
caps.
everything in
In caps.
caps.
Okay. So
Yes,
that's for sending the email. There should be a subject,
yes.
and then you can
And
put
then
in your
make
body.
sure you greet, hello, hi, dear, blah blah blah. Write your email. Make sure you check for punctuations,
This is like sending
basics.
email basics
Exactly.
101.
Yes. Before
Okay.
we get into the main productivity tool,
The meat of today.
check punctuations, full stop where it must be. Um, Make sure there are spaces. Check corrections. Okay, and all of these things. And then when you finish, end with, I mean, um, many thanks, the Odin way, yours faithfully, and those kind of things.
Okay.
Best
Now,
regards.